Hi guys, Gurepreet here. Have you guys ever wondered why in all BIM projects all the information is not provided beforehand, or rather we follow a step-by-step procedure? The reason for this step-by-step procedure is to avoid dispute between architect, engineers, clients and contractors. This structured approach is basically called level of development. Level of development, as defined by American Institute of Architect, is the amount of information which we show in our BIM projects. So yeah, we are going to discuss 6 different LOD phases, starting from LOD 100, which is basically conceptual stage. In this particular phase, basic information like area, size, volume of the elements we are going to model is captured. This is done to capture overall drawing intent or design intent. LOD 200 is basically the schematic phase. In this particular phase, the informations get more accurate and we have the approximate quantity, size of the project we are going to model in. After that is LOD 300. LOD 300 is more accurate modeling of our building. This is basically covers all the design intent from the clients, and in this particular phase, our goal is to capture all the client requirements. Now, in this particular phase, all the coordination part starts and most of the coordination with other services is done. After that, LOD 350 is basically the construction documentation phase. It's basically extension to LOD 300 where we have design drawings done. Now these drawings are prepared for construction and shop drawings are presented in this particular phase. After that is LOD 400. Now this is the phase where the things get more complex and accurate in a way. In this particular phase, we give fabrication details like how we are going to connect different BIM elements etc. on site. For example, connecting two cable trays between each other and how many rebars we are going to put in our columns are shown in this particular phase. After that is LOD 500. In LOD 500 basically is the as-built stage. In this particular phase, we have the digital twin of what we have built on site. This is done so as to provide operation manager for any future maintenance of the project in case of any emergencies or in case of any extensions. They will always refer these drawings and the documents which we have given them from this particular phase. So yeah, that's it from me guys. See you in next video.